Yeah, that's good.
Keep.
Now, drive it a little bit. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. All right, hold up.
Okay.
All right, we got Nathan coming up. We're gonna need a strap.
You make this turn here. All right, you're clear to go. Back on up. You're good.
Let me know if mine is down, Donnie, and I'll run down there. Yeah. You'll be good.
Right on. Thank you, sir.
All right, you still got a couple little steps to go, and you can't really back up, but you should have no trouble.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go.
Go.